art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Frosty Mittens Connie from Dandy's World. So first let's get started with the hair. So in the center we're going to curve this line out on both sides. And then from that point we're just going to curve this line around and then back up. Now from here on the left hand side we're going to arch this line all the way around and then bringing that back down on the right. Moving underneath, let's close off a face. So we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the center. And then again, moving over on the right hand side, let's replicate that. Now from here, let's draw in the eyes. So underneath the hair on both sides, we're going to create a nice big oval, curving this line around and then back up. Moving in towards the middle now, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then underneath, let's create a nice big half circle for the pupil. For the eyelashes, we're going to curve two lines that come out. Moving underneath both eyes now, we're going to create an oval from the bottom, bringing that in towards the top. And then now for the mouth, we're going to draw in a curved line. And then arching this line around and then in. Now on the inside for the teeth, we're going to curve this line back down towards the bottom. For the hair, we're going to curve this line out and then in. Let's move under now for the bow, curving this up. Now on both sides from the chin, we're going to arch this line around and then back in. And then again, one more time. Now in the center, we're going to curve this line out on both sides. And then again, as we move across, let's close this off now with a diagonal line. Let's move over on the left, curving this line down. We'll do the same on the right. We're just going to extend this further down. For the arm, on the left-hand side, we're going to start up above, curving this line out. Now on the inside, drawing in a diagonal line coming in. Underneath, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then again for the hand, closing this off, arching this line all the way around and then in towards that corner. Closing off the arm on the left, we're going to bring this line out and then back in. Now for the right arm, let's curve this line across. On the top, let's bring this diagonal line up. On the side, curving this line around and then in. And then again for the hand, just arching this line over. Closing off the hair on both sides, we're going to arch this line in towards our arm. Let's extend the body underneath now. So bringing this line under, we're going to curve this line in. Coming over on the right, arching this line over and up. Let's draw in a diagonal line that comes in towards the middle. And then again from that point on the bottom, bringing that up towards the center. Now from here, extending this further out, curving this around and then down. And now from that point, just arching this line back, around, and then in. And that is it. That's how you draw Frosty Mittens Connie from Dandy's World. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.